really don't see what the disconnect is here. You know, this is your lab. These are not my issues to come in and fix.
So Gary McPherson's number's what?
To essentially tell the country or whoever's watching this game that Houston is back, right? And so this notion of symbolic gestures really struck me because
And then so the access is not appropriate because a little kid can come in with a bike.
they're going to go through the floor.
Set aside the last take a picture of it, put it on the website, so people can use the chemicals. Is that used regulated? No.
Verify that it's reading correctly, and that's something we also do before we go out and take samples.